I think the tide table lied. I thought I had a couple feet to go.
Oh.
Oh, I'm going down there. Gonna get my feet wet. Not yet today. I just got here.
Oh.
I'll go head down that way and drink a couple beers.
Yeah.
See if I get lucky. Yeah, I got a couple down there last month.
Where?
Down at Sheep Creek.
In the bottom?
Yeah. Yeah, North Douglas.
Huh?
Yeah, I got North Douglas too, out past that boat ramp.
Yeah.
Falls out of there. I got one small king there, barely keepable. Yeah, just past. No kings here.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, right. I know. Telling a Filipino he can't fish is like not happening. No man tells a Filipino when and where to fish. Well, time to ruin another set of rims in seawater. Oh man, you're getting too old for this shit. One day, a younger generation is gonna have to take over this legacy. Well, here we are, back at the beautiful beachside estates of Tweaker Del Mar, with our beautiful co-morning co-host George, and he's still on the chill pill. Boy, let's see, what do we got today? The usual cheap cigar. Been like jonesing for this all day. Alright. And this one was scary. Got skull and crossbones. Irish Death. Quilter's Irish Death. What we got? 7.8 by volume. Dark smooth ale. Quilter's Irish Death is going to be the death of me with these loud ass helicopters. But yeah, Quilter's Irish Death is the namesake beer of Jim Quilter, founder of Iron Horse Brewery. This malt-focused brew, dark in color and deep in taste, defies those pesky style guidelines. This beer is a little bit extra. It will always be dark, smooth ale. You're welcome. From Iron Horse Brewery, Ellensburg, Washington. Independent brewer and blah blah blah. Oh, this is a Crown can, huh? Interesting. Haven't seen Crown for a while. I guess they expanded from the bottle cap business. Yeah. Alright. Boy, we got some dark foam. Holy moly. Yeah, pretty malty. Could use some more hops. But not a bad dark beer. Got some splash going on there. Look at that. What the hell is that? Acoustica? Well, the tide's coming in pretty good. Jesus Christ, it's 60 degrees. high tide is at 4:33 p.m. at 18.4. Oh, I'd say it's that already. Oh yeah, they're way off today. So that's right where they were jumping just a minute ago. Come on, fish on. Got about another 10-15 minutes. If Noah's right. Can't count on Noah. Not sure what it stands for. I'm sure it's similar to NASA. Normally only accurate occasionally, Noah. Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hi, this is the technician. Worked on your computer, ma'am. How are you doing today?
Oh, my computer, damn.
Tell me how your computer is working, sir.
My computer kicks ass. Hello? It's kind of windy here. It's hard to hear, but yeah, my computer kicks ass, man. He hung up on me or something, I guess. Hello? Man, that sucks. I hate it. You know? Damn. You just can't make this shit up. He called me ma'am. He misgendered me. Damn it. I should be outraged. I need another beer. That's what I need. Damn, that's just too much. Oh, damn. What the heck are you? There we are. Hey, here we are. Damn. That was something else. Kind of bummed he hung up. I was being nice. How is my computer working? That's kind of a weird start, you know. How is your computer working? Like, oh, my computer kicked ass, man. Yeah, looks like the tide has finally stopped. It's close enough. So, there we are. Solo overnight. Camping in the rainforest without the rain. No Walmart gear. Ninjas not included. Because, well, we got a certain person going through their second childhood, and they're wildly contagious. Right, George? Damn straight. So, why? Because we make this look good. Right, George? Damn straight. No. And if anybody leaves any comments and I don't reply, because I reply like 99.99% of the time, it's not because I didn't reply. I'm shadow banned. So YouTube is ghosting my comments. and my channel. My impression is like when. Oh. And oddly enough, it's not over political shit and stuff. It's Nikola Tesla's fault. I don't know. It's, not, didn't call anybody names or spout profanities or anything. I just stated facts. Even copy and pasted some facts for these people. There's the, I don't know, Tesla deniers. Well, if he didn't invent it, someone else would have. Yeah, but when? Now? I mean, would we still be in the 1920s, you know? Gotten his technology in the 30s, 40s, 50s, when? And what about the stuff that he proposed and claimed worked? And he had a pretty goddamn good track record. And those ideas were lost. And nobody has invented them yet. The earthquake machine thing. Damn death ray. I mean, he had the earthquake machine. He got so many goddamn complaints he had to like just halt freaking research on it. Yeah, so yeah, Tesla deniers. Through posting facts, I opened it up. Shadow band. How bizarre.
How high do you think the tide came up today?
Up to this log.
Man,
Yeah, it came up really freaking high.
maybe like 22 feet or something.
Pretty damn close.
Yeah.
This is about 22 feet here at the fire pit.
All right.
Where are these people coming
Hey, buddy.
from? Hey, how's it going?
How you doing, man?
Pretty good.
Tide's been up pretty high lately, yeah?
Yeah, it was up real good here a
Higher
little
than
bit
high
ago.
and lower than low.
Yeah, cleaned the beach off too. Like,
What's that?
It cleaned the beach off.
It did. It wrecked the little fucking... I had that little basin right there for my milk and, for stuff to... I noticed it wrecked that. There was so much wood.
It's gone now,
Huh?
It's gone. I bet now.
That tub's gone, yeah. But there was so much wood floating around.
I know, it was like up to this big rock here.
Yeah,
I was like,
I've
holy.
never seen it up that high.
So he got him a propane tank and a Mr. Heater. I don't know. The old lady, I guess he's out here with his old lady smoking crack. And what we got here? It's just a twig with a little pine sap on it. A little piece of bark with pine sap on it too. Well, There we are. We got our special guest star. The silicone rubber dead duck. Available on Amazon. Where else would you find something like this? I still wonder about that. You know what they say about ducks. If there's not a hole, they'll make one. You know there's already a hole here. It's a grilled duck, I guess. Boing. Yeah, I'm not sure what to think about that. You know. Lord help me. Yeah. I once delved into staring at goats and many other things. Damn. Feels like it's going to be an explosion. Oh, it is going to be an explosion. I got to do something about this. Starting to cloud up. Pretty calm out. Pack it up. What is it? 9 o'clock. Guess we might as well try to beat the rain. Woohoo! Work on my coffee. Take a little break. Yeah, they're catching some good wind out there. Deer. Kayaks. 8 kayaks. The catalyst. Probably 1930s. Maybe a monk. Looks kind of monkish. We'll look her up. See if we can find something.